In the quiet of the morning, a gentle thought takes flight, a whisper of compassion, a slowly growing light. It sees the silent struggles, the burdens others bear, and a kindness starts to blossom, a wish to show you care. Oh, compassion's gentle rain, washing over all the pain. We're all connected, you and I, beneath the same white sky. With a kindness in our hand, we can help each other stand in this web of life we share. A love beyond compare, like a mother to her child. A love so fierce and true, let that boundless heart expand for every being, me and you. For in this shared existence, a truth we come to find is healing for our minds. So let our actions be our prayer, with kindness everywhere. What a world of peace to share.